Right, viewers, welcome back. You're watching Times Now. I am Meenakshi Upreti. Our top focus is the state of West Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee's police is once again under the scanner. This time for the alleged rape and murder of a 10-year-old girl in the Kultani area. This is in the South 24 Parganas district. The child was allegedly brutalized while returning to her home after attending tuition classes on Saturday. Protests have been raging ever since the girl's body was found, with locals even setting a police post ablaze. A large number of people took out rallies, they blocked roads and also burned tires in the area, demanding justice for the girl. The family is accusing the cops of being negligent.
এই প্রশ্নের উত্তর চাই। আমাদের সঙ্গে চরম নিষ্ক্রিয়তা করা হয়েছে। চরম মানে পুলিশের যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত না বডি দাহ হয়েছে ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত 300-400 পুলিশ একেবারে ঘিরে রেখেছিল আমাদেরকে। যেই মুহূর্তে আমাদের মেয়ের বডি দাহ হয়ে গেল আর একটা পুলিশ কি করে পরিবার আসবে, কি করে কে আসবে, কারুর কোনো দরকার পড়েনি, কারুর কোনো জানার দরকার নেই। সেই মানুষগুলো যদি শ্মশানেও থেকে যেত তাহলে হয়তো থেকে যেত। এতটা সক্রিয় ছিল পুলিশ বডি নিয়ে যাওয়া পর্যন্ত। যখন দাহ হয়ে গেল তখন পুলিশ নিষ্ক্রিয় হয়ে গেল। ঘরে ঢুকে পুলিশ টাকা অফার করছে বাবা মাকে, যেখানে আমরা আমাদের মেয়ের বডি নিয়ে বসে রয়েছি ঘরে, পরিবারের প্রত্যেকটা লোক চোখের জলে তাকাতে পারছি না, তখন পুলিশ গিয়ে টাকা অফার করছে আমাদেরকে। এটা পুলিশের মানবিক মুখ। তারা আবার বলছেন যে আমরা সব ঠিক কাজ করেছি, আমরা সব দায়িত্ব পালন করেছি। এটাকে দায়িত্ব পালন বলে এটাকে।
And the matter also went to the Kolkata High Court, where the judge expressed concerns over the charges under the POCSO Act of not being included in the investigation, despite the victim being a minor. Now, just what we know at the moment is that the justice also directed the police to immediately add the relevant POCSO sections to the case and transfer the records to the special POCSO court. The court also directed that the post-mortem examination must be conducted at AIIMS in Kalyani, as the police plea to conduct the post-mortem at the Mominpur Police Morgue Hospital was turned down by the magistrate on October 5th. The second autopsy at AIIMS, which will be videographed, shall be conducted today. The BJP, whose delegation led by Shrikant Majumdar was stopped from meeting the victim's kin, said that timely action by the police could have saved this girl.
उस डेमोक्रेटिक आंदोलन को पुलिस दबाने की कोशिश करता है और ये जो दबाने वाला कोशिश है, इसलिए डेमोक्रेसी को पूरी तरीके से इस राज्य में खत्म कर चुका है पुलिस ने, ममता बंदोपाध्याय। और ये जितना पुलिस आज है, लास्ट 2 दिन इसका 20% पुलिस, 10% पुलिस भी अगर उस लड़की को ढूंढने की कोशिश करती, अगर FIR लिया जाता तो आज ये घटना नहीं घटती, ना बीजेपी को यहाँ बैठना पड़ता, ना मुझे यहाँ पे आना पड़ता।
3 लाइन बैरिकेड किया है। हम लोग तो थाना को भांगचूर करने नहीं आए हैं, प्रतिवाद करने आए हैं। आज ये कुलतली थाना क्यों नहीं काम किया, क्यों नहीं FIR लिया? जब परसों 4 बजे ये लड़की निखोज हुआ तब ये FIR नहीं लिया। पिताजी माताजी को इस तरह से उस तरह, उस तरह से उस तरह। आज अगर वो लेता, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता तो आज बच्ची हमारे पास रहते। और हर दिन ये हो रहे, हर दिन। और हमारा मुख्यमंत्री डांडिया नाच रहे।
My colleague Adrija is live with us. Adrija, this matter obviously went to the Calcutta High Court. The HC had expressed concerns over the charges under the POCSO Act not being included in the investigation. What can we expect next? The anger of locals far from abated, despite of the Chief Minister now saying that POCSO must be added. Take us through what we can expect far as the investigation and also the protest front is concerned.
Well, you see, on Friday morning, when the body of the minor was found in an open field in South 24 Parganas, Kultali area, from then we have seen first protest being done by the locals there, and then later on the political parties also taking into the streets and protesting, not only in South 24 Parganas but also in Kolkata as well. But yesterday, a delegation team of the BJP had visited the local police station there in South 24 Parganas in order to demand justice, and they were also, stopped from reaching and meeting the family members of the victim. At the same time, we are seeing that the Calcutta High Court had come down very heavily on the West Bengal police regarding this matter, where they have said that, because it was a minor girl whose body was found, why have the POCSO section not been added when the case was being registered by the police? This questions has been raised by Calcutta High Court. At the same time, they have directed that POCSO section be immediately added and the entire case now be shifted to a POCSO court. At the same time, the autopsy of the victim's body, a second autopsy will be taking place today at Kalyani, and the team of doctors are also ready to conduct the autopsy. So another autopsy will be taking place because the opposition party have been alleging that rape and murder of the minor victim. Also, when the body was found, from the preliminary reports, we are getting to know that there were several injury marks on the body of the victim. So of course, after the autopsy, the results and the facts will come forward. But yes, yet another horrific incident taking place in West Bengal.